Hello traders, welcome to the video. In this video I'll be showing you a very quick strategy to trade the boom and crash market accurately. As you can see, I am on the 1 minute time frame and this is boom 1000, and if you look over here, I have three indicators. I have the relative vigor index, which is this one, and I have the relative strength index, which I use for my skill, and I have a moving average over here, which is the 35 exponential moving average. So don't worry, at the end of this video I will show you how you can set up your chart to look exactly like this. Let me quickly explain how you use this strategy to make money out of the market. I want you to know that the moving average, as we all know, is a trend following indicator. It shows us when the market is on a downtrend, and it also shows us when market is in an uptrend. When market is below the moving average, you see that the market is in a downtrend. If you look carefully, this is it. And when we have market to move above the moving average, we see that for this short period of time, market is in an uptrend. This vigor index, it shows us when market has been bought in a very high price and market will drop some. It also shows us when market is sold at a very high price and when it will buy some. So, and as we all know, our relative strength index, which is the RSI, it has this scale over here, which is the 100 to 80 level, which we use to know the exact time that the market is overbought. And if you look over here, which is the 20 to 0, is the scale that we use to know when the market is oversold for the crash market. For the boom, we are selling, and for the crash, we are buying. And what you should also notice that we are using 2 time frames for this strategy. Like I always tell you guys, that the higher time frame is king. So by the time I show you some examples over here, you will know that the 2 time frames I'll be mentioning is the best way to trade this strategy. So the 2 time frames are, we have the 5 minutes and we have the 1 minute. So the 5 minutes is the one that we use to know exactly when the market is overbought or oversold, and the 1 minute time frame is the one we use to know when the market has changed trend, and then we will ride to the downside or to the upside. Hope you understand what I am saying. And for the zoom level, it is the level 2. This is the highest zoom, 1, 2. So this is the level we are using for this our strategy. Let me show you examples each on boom and crash so that you can understand how it works. So to the first example, first thing you do is to change your time frame to the 5 minutes time frame. So this is the 5 minutes. I change to that now. So first thing you want to look for is when there is a crossing at the overbought level. So as you can see over here, there is a crossing over here. So don't forget the zoom level is also important. So we take these two and we put it to where there is crossing. As you can see, you can look what I'm doing carefully. So what we do next is we go to our 1 minute time frame for our entry. So we only use this relative vigor for the 5 minutes, so you should note that. So if we go to where I put that line, we have the line over here. So what you are waiting for is the cross of this moving average. So now if you look carefully, it goes like this. Dodge this spike, so you know that this higher time frame is king. So you see the crossing occurs at this point. So you wait carefully until you see a proper cross, then you sell the market and count 5 candles. So one thing I want you to know is that this way of trading is very accurate. So now let's go to the higher time frame and let me show you some examples again. So if we go to our 5 minutes again and look for where the market has also showed the overbought level. So as we all see, this is another area. So if I take my tool and I put it at this zone, so go to my 1 minute time frame and look for that area. So as you can see, the area is at this point on the 1 minute time frame. So we wait carefully for the cross of the moving average, a visible cross here, and you sell. You count your 5 candles, easy like that. Let me go to the crash market and show you how it works in the crash market. And one thing about this strategy is that you don't guess, you know exactly what you are looking for. So like I said here, in the crash 1000 we go to the 5 minutes time frame. So as you all see, our setup is the one playing right now. So we take it, this is the where we have the crossing. So then we go to our 1 minute time frame. This is the zone. Here is where we have the crossing on the 5 minutes. So we wait patiently for when the market comes to cross this moving average. So as you all see over here, market has buy here, and we have count our 5 candles easily, 5 candles, and we are out. To the 5 minutes again, let's look for another opportunity. So this is another example over here. So as you all see, here is another example. So now let's go to our 1 minute time frame and look for that area. So this is the area over here. So as you can all see, we wait patiently after we see this area for the cross of the moving average. So you see over here, this is the cross. Then we count our 5 candles and we are out of the market. You guys see that this thing is very accurate. So now let me show you settings to this indicator and set up your chart. So first thing you do is to click on this indicator icon over here. So once you have that, like I said, I have 3 indicators: moving average, relative strength index, relative vigor index. So now to select the moving average, first thing you do is to click on the F icon on the main chart. So once you click on that, this is your, you make your period to be 35, shift to be 0, method to be exponential, apply to close, style to be 3 pixels, select color of your choice and click on save. So for the second indicator, which is relative strength index, to select that, click on the F icon on the main chart also. Once you have that, scroll down a bit, this is relative strength index, click on that, make your period to be 14, apply to close, style to be 1 pixel and select color of your background, because we don't have any use for this style. Then the main thing we need is the levels. So first thing you do is to click on this pen icon that you have over here. So click on this add button to add, then type 80 and type 20, make your pixel to be 2 and select color black, any other color of your choice. After that, you back, then you click on save. The last indicator, which is vigor index, select on this F icon that you see over here, scroll down a bit, this is vigor index, click on that, period to be 5, make your RVI style to be 3 pixel, signal line style to be 3 pixel, select color of your choice over here, but I am using green and red as you all see. Then after that, you click on save. So once you have that, your chart will look exactly like this. So after this, I want you to go back on your chart, backtest this strategy and try to trade it using your demo account, so that you can understand easily how this strategy works. And don't make sure you don't forget the zoom level, that is also important. If you find this video helpful, I want you to like the video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on notification bell so that you get notified anytime we drop a new video. And you can also check out the other videos that are displaying right now on my screen. Thanks for watching.